Hi everyone, today I will tell you about a very interesting and good service. This service is unlike most e-commerce platforms out there. So what is this service and what is the difference between the other e-commerce platforms? Have you ever wondered if you're using the right e-commerce platform for your e-commerce business? Do you sometimes come across a new service that is more functional and cheaper than the one you are using now? You may not be able to upgrade to a new e-commerce platform or even just change your site, and that in fact has been one of the major challenges facing small e-commerce merchants for years. Well, at least for now. Solutions like these came along and turned out to be revolutionary. Have you ever wondered if you're using the right e-commerce platform to sell online? Do you sometimes stumble upon a new service that is more functional and cheaper than what you're using now? Starting a small business is all about keeping your costs low, and finding an e-commerce platform to help you get there is half the battle. Unfortunately, when launching a small business website, it can often be tricky if you want to use a new e-commerce platform or even just change your site. Interestingly, moving from one website hosting platform to another has always been challenging, as many solutions purposefully create a closed system. This greatly complicates the process of transferring files or making extensive site customizations. Fortunately, with a platform called Ecwid, you don't have to worry about that anymore. In fact, the entire goal of the company, which started in 2009, is to help you quickly and inexpensively create an online store system on your existing website. In other words, you don't need to create a completely new website. Just implement Ecwid on any platform, CMS or social network in 5 minutes and you're done. It really is that simple. For someone who knows the difficulties that come with trying to migrate websites, especially when it comes to e-commerce, I am always happy with solutions like Ecwid. You can bet I've tried this on different types of sites before. I found it quite impressive that Ecwid has managed to serve millions of merchants since 2009. Cumulatively, Ecwid solutions have been supported by over 2 billion stores. What's even cooler is that Ecwid isn't one of those services that only target the US or Europe. Its merchants currently span 175 different countries, making Ecwid a global platform. This means that even companies based in developing countries are gradually using Ecwid to build and manage their online stores. Many of them take advantage of the fact that they don't have to break down their existing sites just to rebuild new e-commerce stores. As we mentioned, Ecwid is a SaaS solution for customizing your own e-commerce website, pretty much the same description you would use for competitors like BigCommerce, Squarespace, Shopify, and the like. However, unlike these three, Ecwid is making headway in the marketplace by serving companies that don't want to open a new site. The main feature is that you can take your old site and quickly integrate the Ecwid system within minutes. You can also mirror the system on other sites if you plan to sell elsewhere online. Ultimately, you can manage all of these sites from one centralized location rather than switching between multiple dashboards. And speaking of which, Ecwid provides a variety of e-commerce management options. For example, you can add a wide range of products accompanied by their various attributes such as weight, prices, photographs, etc. Then by setting shipping rates, you can process various cart payments and fulfill orders accordingly. In short, you will be everything that comes with a standard e-commerce platform. All of this can be done in the Ecwid online system via your web browser. But not really. It's also possible to sync Ecwid across multiple devices and, as a result, sell on the go from your smartphone. To do this, Ecwid has created its own store management apps for Android and iOS devices. While their functionality may not match what is offered on a web interface, you can rely on apps to edit product attributes, upload electronic products, add product images, sell, and more. Considering the recent redesign of the dashboard, it goes without saying that Ecwid is pleasantly simple and straightforward. You don't need to learn a lot here. Admittedly, even a beginner should easily navigate the final backend functions. Well, in my opinion, I think who has tried a CMS system before should be able to figure out things right away. All major functions are systematically located on the left panel of the Ecwid dashboard, and the right side is reserved for their respective options, just like we've seen on WordPress and other CMS solutions. Apart from apps, Ecwid platform offers 4 plans by default, one of which is completely free. In fact, Ecwid is promoting the free plan quite aggressively, and it assures you that they won't charge you at any moment. Well, based on my previous experience with Ecwid, the company continues to stick to its goal of leaving the entire package permanently free. This is where Ecwid stands out, and in case you want to upgrade to a new version, you can bet that premium payment plans won't cost you much. They are all fairly affordable, especially considering the full range of features they offer. However, Ecwid's free plan allows you to sell 10 products, while the venture plan increases your bill to products and you get additional services like an iPhone management app. The business plan, on the other hand, goes up to 2,500 products at a reasonable price, accompanied by live chat support. Priority support, however, is only possible on the unlimited plan, which can also accommodate an unlimited number of products. Ecwid price summary. Free plan. $0 forever for Google Shopping, Facebook ads, Facebook pixelated ads, multiple sites selling simultaneously, add a store to any website, start a site, and unlimited bandwidth covering 10 products. Venture plan. $15 per month billed monthly or $12.50 per month billed annually to support chat, Google Shopping, Facebook ads, Facebook Pixel, advanced SEO tools, inventory management, access to app market extensions, concurrent selling on multiple sites, automatic tax calculation, discount coupons, adding a store to any website, starting site, and unlimited bandwidth covering 100 megabytes for each digital file plus 100 products. Business plan. $35 per month billed monthly or $29.70 per month billed annually. Phone and live chat support, automatic abandoned cart recovery, 2 employee accounts, eBay integrations, product options, product filters, Google Shopping, Facebook ads, Facebook Pixel, advanced SEO tools, inventory management, access to app market extension, selling through multiple sites at once, automatic tax calculations, discount coupons, abandoned cart savings, add a store to any website, launch site, and unlimited bandwidth covering 1 gigabyte for each digital file plus 2,500 products. Unlimited plan. $99 per month billed monthly or $82.50 per month billed annually for priority support, phone and chat support, Square post integration, automatic abandoned cart recovery, 2 employee accounts, eBay integrations, product options, filter product, Google Shopping, Facebook ads, Facebook Pixel, advanced SEO tools, inventory management, market extension, app access, multi-site selling simultaneously, automatic tax calculations, discount coupons, abandoning safeguard, adding a store to any website, start the site, and unlimited bandwidth covering 10 gigabytes for each digital file, plus unlimited products. I can confidently say that Ecwid is very reliable if you already have a website. And it's pretty simple. Just integrate it as a plugin and you have a pretty elegant store at a very reasonable price. In a nutshell, Ecwid is an e-commerce business that's easy for small, dynamic merchants looking for flexible, multi-channel commerce capabilities.